Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 40 and let me show you how to check for software updates. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select system updates, and right here you can check for updates, so you can smoothly refresh it. And as you can see, there's no updates applied. We can also check the smart update feature, so once it is active, your device's updates are downloaded and installed automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi, so you will be always up to date. However, if you want to check it, just open this panel. As you can see, here you've got your system update status, and you can also reach update history if you want to. Actually, there is no history here, but if you updated it several times, it will be all noted there. So that's it, that will be all, so you can check system updates. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.